How to increase video RAM graphics on your laptop. Hey everybody, in today's quick tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to increase your video RAM graphics without any external software. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your device manager to check for your drivers. Let's just right click on the start menu and then go to device manager. From here, you can simply go ahead and find your display adapters. Under there, you'll find your built-in graphics card. Right-click on it, and then click on Update Driver. Once you do that, you could click on Search automatically for drivers. And then if it says the best drivers already installed, then you're good to go. And then you can move on to the next step. Now, the next step is to check your display adapter's advanced display properties. You could directly search for it. So if you just search for display properties, it's going to show up here. If not, you could just go to your display settings. So I'll just go to my graphics settings over here. And under display, you can go to advanced display. It's going to show you all of these options. Now click on display adapter properties for display 1. And right here, as you can see, the total available graphics memory is 4 gigabytes. For me, it's around 4000 MBs, and I have an 8 GB of RAM available on my system. So once you have done that, what you need to do is, in order to increase the memory, you're going to have to go ahead and search for registry editor here, open it up, and then click on yes. Now, once you open it up, the first thing you want to do is go to HKey local machine, and then onto your software. And once you expand your software, find Intel, click on the drop down, and then from here, you're going to have to right click and then create a new key. Tap on new and then key. You're going to name it GMM. Make sure that all of these letters are capital. Go inside the GMM, right click here, go to new, and then create a new DWORD 32-bit value. Now you're going to have to name this. So what you basically do is rename this as dedicated segment size. So let me just right click and then rename. I'll just type in dedicated segment size, just like so. Make sure each word's first letter is capital and there are no spaces in between. All right, so once you've named it, double click on it. Now you're going to have to edit the value data. So I've created here a short chart kind of thing. So here you're going to have to correspond these values and set it up. So since I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, I'm going to have to set the value at 1024. If you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, you're going to have to do 512. If you have 16, you have to go 2048, and if you have more than this, it just keeps on adding two's power. So you just have to increase the number in the same sequence. So I'll just write here 1024 and then click on OK. Once you've done that, the most important step next is to simply go ahead and restart your PC and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. That's how you can increase your video RAM graphics. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.